Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf 2021-2022 range of campervans from Volkswagen, and let's have a look at them now. Don't think we'll be getting into any of them because there's people around and this creates a bit of a problem, but we can have a laugh at the prices if nothing else. And so we'll start off with this one here, which is the California 6.1. They're all 6.1s, I think. Ocean, and this, there you go, there's the details of it, so we can find out much it weighs. We know what energy class it's in, and it burns 6.9 litres to 100 kilometres. So we've got all that. What we haven't got is the price. So never mind. We'll have a look at it anyway. Volkswagen camper, and got a new potential buyer in here as I film. And oh yes, looking now into the driver's seat. And then before, what you want to do is obviously take it out for a test drive before you do anything. And it seems to be all right. But this driver's not looking where he's going. Anyway, so we won't film that because it would be really bad example for other people. Anyway, tent in the roof, and so what's this got? Well, you might be wondering where the toilet is and where the shower is. Oh, couldn't find it. Anyway, let's see if we can do anything better on the next van, which is this one, the California Beach. Now, I have actually filmed the price of this before, and it was atrocious. What's the difference between one and the other? Well, I suppose if you put the seats down like this, you get a mattress, and you know what this has got too? This has got a mattress topper and a mattress. Okay, right, let's have a walk around. It's a nice colour. And and once more, we don't know what the price is, so we're not seeing much humour here. California 6.1 beach. They're both 6.1s. That one's grey and this one's red. And okay, we'll go over to this one here, which is a 6.1 Coast. Well, I like the colour scheme. It sort of harks back to former days. Okay, here's the Caddy California. I mean, it looks nice. It's got a wonderful colour to it. I wouldn't mind my van being that colour. I mean, actually, I could get a tie that colour as well. I mean, if anybody wants to send me one. So let's see if we can find the kitchen in this, or the shower. Oh, there's a bed in it. Yeah. Okay, having seen that, let's now move on to the number one best-selling camper van, or motorhome indeed, coming out of Poland. It's the Grand California, introduced in 2019, comes in two versions, 680, which has lengthwise beds, which we can see here clearly demonstrated, and we have the 6-meter version, which has a widthwise bed at the back and looks a bit like a hospital. And right, we haven't got the price of this. I mean, it starts at something like 60,000 or something like that. Or so, I mean, it sounds reasonable, the starting price, but by the time you've got everything, let's see. Yeah, I'll just take my hands. All right. And anyway, it doesn't look as though we're getting the price of this either. Right, so Volkswagen's learnt from previous years. So people like me turning up and laughing at the cost of the vehicles, and not to put the price on. The thing is this, I mean, you buy something from Volkswagen, right, or you can buy it from one of the converters, and it's like a lot cheaper. And okay, give an example. For example, You've got, for example, Wavecamper. Admittedly, it's owned by a friend of mine, but it's produced very close to where these things are actually produced in Poland. Or you get 4x4 from a company like Wertz, which all sorts of technical equipment added onto it, and it'll cost the same as something like this, the Ocean, and it looks the same inside. So anyway, there you have it. But it's nice that Volkswagen were here this year, because they weren't here last year. And as stands go, that's one of the nicest stands, I think, at this event, in my opinion. So that's a very quick walk around the stand. You had less than 1 minute per van, and you may be thinking it wasn't worth any more anyway. So thanks so much for watching. All the best from here, and I'm going to leave you with a look at the Ford stand and the Mercedes stand, the Fiat stand, and over there we've got the Renault stand. Oh, Iveco, sorry, I almost forgot Iveco. So you've got all the main base producers here, the base vehicle base producers, that is. Thanks so much for watching, and cheers from Dusseldorf.